Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, boys, and welcome to the class. Today we will continue with our chapter number 8, Geography, Human Environment Interactions, the tropical and subtropical region. In last lecture, we have covered our topic number 1, Amazon Basin, and today we will going to start a new topic, Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. So let's start our new topic, Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. The tributaries of the Ganga and the Brahmaputra basin together form the Ganga Brahmaputra basin in the Indian subcontinent. It lies in the subtropical region between 10° north and 30° north latitudes, and it drained by the tributaries of the Ganga, including the Ghagra, the Son, the Kasoi, the Ghandak, and the tributaries of the Brahmaputra. Plains of Ganga and Brahmaputra foothills of the Himalayas and the Sundarbans Delta are the main feature of the basin, and many oxbows lakes are also found in this region. We can have a look to the map also, in which we can see that it's from the Himalaya, it starts and it's ending at the Sundarban Delta. If you talk about the climate of the Ganga Brahmaputra basin, the area is dominated by monsoon climate, so it rains from mid June to mid September, and summers are hot and winters are cool, and this makes the climate tolerable in all these regions or in all the seasons, and people can live there. If we talk about the vegetation cover, the vegetation in different areas of the basin depends on the type of the landform. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra plains, for example, are covered with tropical deciduous trees and also with trees such as teak, sal, and peepal. The main crops which are grown there, they are thick tobacco, bamboo groups are grown, and in the Brahmaputra plains and the delta is covered with mangrove forests. Uh, in some areas also there are coniferous trees like pine, deodar, and fir are also found because of the cool climate and the steep slopes. Different animals like elephants, monkeys, tigers, deer, crocodile, alligators, etc. are animals commonly found all across the basin. While one-horned rhinoceros is also found in Brahmaputra plain, and the Royal Bengal tiger in the Sundarbans delta. There are so many aquatic life is also there. Um, because of the freshwater rivers, there are so many species are found. For example, in Bay of Bengal, or in the freshwaters or in the lakes, the most popular varieties of fish are rahu, katla, and hilsa. So these are some of the varieties of the fishes they found in these uh, Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. Um, the topography of the basin is varied, and the distribution of population in different areas depends highly on the type of environment in those areas. Mountain areas have steep slopes and inhospitable terrain, so it is not easy to live there. The ground is very difficult to live in due to many slopes and hills, so very few people live there. On the contrary, the plain is the most suitable area for habitation, and its population density is very high because the land is flat and the soil is very fertile, and agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Rice paddies are the main crops of these regions because it rains a lot in these regions, and rice needs a lot of water. So one of the main crop there is the rice. In other crops, wheat, sorghum, grams, millets, maize, and some cash crops like sugarcane and jute are also grown there. There are some plantation of bananas in plains are also found. tea in the West Bengal and Assam, and silkworms are also cultivated in Bihar and Assam. The Ganga Brahmaputra plains has many big cities and towns on the banks of river Ganga, such as Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna, and Kolkata. All of which have a population of more than 10 lakhs. So all these are very densely populated and crowded cities. When the cities are crowded, there are some also problems are there with the development activities, and because of the industrialization, there are some environmental problems are also there. The wastewater from the cities industries is discharged into the rivers, which obviously pollutes the rivers and the river water, and also affect the aquatic life of the rivers. There is a very well developed transport system is there. So with the railways, the roadways are connecting important towns and villages, and there are some waterways connecting towns are also there, and which towns which are on the river banks, they can be connected through the waterways. Kolkata is an important international port on the river Hongai, and there are also many airports in the plains as well. Uh, Another important aspect of this Ganga Brahmaputra basin is the tourism. Is also a major activity in the plains, and important sites are there. For example, Taj Mahal on the banks of Yamuna in Agra, Allahabad on the confluence of rivers Ganga and Jamna, Buddhist stupas in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, Imambara in Lucknow, uh, Kaziranga and Manas wildlife sanctuaries in Assam, and the tribal villages in Aran, Arunachal Pradesh. So these are so many sites are there which are very famous for the tourism as well. So a lot of people are visiting these places because of their scenic beauties, and so many historical places are available there. So boys, this comprises our second part of the topic, and this is how here we finish our this chapter today. I think you will get some information, and you understand that. So in next class we will start doing some key concepts and exercise as well. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.